This is MCoBeauty. Oh my god, it's so big. We're going to do a full face of MCoBeauty. They finally arrived in the UK and I've been waiting to come back on YouTube to just do this makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna get really deep into it. If you don't know about MCoBeauty, I'm gonna let you in a little bit. I did see a lot of videos when it comes to MCoBeauty. All the products on the tray from MCoBeauty. MCoBeauty is a beauty brand based in Australia. So they are a luxury brand for less, and they basically replicate the packaging of the viral beauty brands and beauty products. I'm using the brow laminate and I've loved this so much. It does laminate your brows. I'm not sure what this looks like, so if you know in the comments, you would know. Does it look like something? I didn't get a brow pencil or pen, so I'm gonna use my own. They literally have like everything from serums, foundation, you know, all you can think of. They market themselves as bougie on a budget by copying the packaging of the ones, like basically replicating the other packages from viral brands. And I know that can create like a humongous controversy when it comes to copying, but it happens every single time. You get it from Elf, you get it from Makeup Revolution and stuff. And we're gonna go in with their face grip primer. Oh my god, this is like literally the dupe of, you know. This is the original and this is the dupe. So literally look the same. They just stamp MCoBeauty on it. Like, I'm like, is this even illegal? That is my question. Oh yes, it's very sticky. And do they smell the same? No. The Milk Grip Primer has got a bit of a minty smell. There is only one way to see if this is grippy. Okay, that will do, but I don't feel like it's as grippy as the Milk. But you need to make sure it's tacky. Like, this is literally copy and paste. What the hell? This is the Flawless Glow, which is kind of similar to the Charlotte Tilbury, you know what I'm saying? She looks pretty light. Oh, I don't have a proper foundation from them. I'm actually going to purchase some stuff myself from MCoBeauty, and just to see, like, test some stuff, because I've heard there's even more good stuff from them. You see that, and the glow, definitely a glow. Wow. And under 15 pounds, because you know the Charlotte Tilbury is even more expensive. So this is in the shade 7 Warm Honey, which is actually quite similar to my Elf shade as well. I would say they don't have a lot of ranges when it comes to dark skin. I think they have, I don't know how long they've been in the game for, but they just need to improve with their shade, because that's a big deal, especially if you're gonna come in doing a lot, like causing a lot of controversy. And I know they knew what they were doing. I didn't get a concealer from them. I did get a blush, because I do like to under blush, so let's do that. So I did get like 4 different type of blush. This is a cheek, lip, and stain. Reminds you of anything? And this is the cheek lip tint. This does not look like it can be my shade, actually. It's more like a pinky peach. Then we've got these ones. Oh my god, they look literally like from Charlotte Tilbury. And these ones, there's one that's like more peach and one that's more red. See if we can do the under blush. Ooh, that's too bright. Okay, well, we'll just move it in the middle and make a little cocktail. That's too bright though. Peach Berlin is a way too light for my skin tone. And so we're gonna just use Flush. I think Flush would be, ooh. Wow, she's cute and she's not too much. Wow, okay. The bronzer that's there, not my shade. This is the Highlight and Glow Bronze, but it's literally like a highlight. But I want to know if you guys have tried any of these products and what do you guys think of them. And is it wrong? They shouldn't be copying to the T. What are your thoughts? I really am so curious, because it's definitely a hot topic in UK. I mean, I feel like for me, I've heard about them, but because they've landed in UK now, I'm sure some beauty content creators would not want to like support them. I don't know how it will affect or boost and stuff, but I've just added a bit of that blush on top of my concealer, but it keeps moving the product and I don't like that at all. Okay, I just needed to blend it a little bit more, but instantly just quickly move my product like that, like we're gonna be beefy. Also, I didn't get any eyeshadows. I don't know if they do have eyeshadow, MCoBeauty. I don't know why I keep wanting to call them MCoBeauty. That's a whole different name. It's MCoBeauty. Okay, so we don't have any bronzes or anything, but we do have a blush, Glow Up pH powder blush. It definitely reminds me of something a lot. This is in the shade Glow Up. So look at that. Oh, that's a gorgeous pink color, especially a blush era. Like we feel like we're in, you know, the 70s where there was that blush era. We're also back in that era. And I am not mad at it. I absolutely love it. We're gonna do the pink painted by Esther blush trend again, just to say farewell to the summer. I didn't get a bronzer. I told you the good bronzer that I got is literally way too light for me. So MCoBeauty definitely need to work on their skin tone ranges. You need to like improve on the shades and stuff. Like I feel like I'm the standard for maybe dark skin, but there is darker and richer tones because their products are pretty great. I'm not gonna lie, I really gravitate to most of them most of the time. You know when you bronze and then everything just starts coming together. Yes sir. I'm just gonna contour a bit of my nose. I've been using it like no one's business. It's the Miracle Flawless Setting Spray. This is not a fixing spray. This is basically to melt the whole makeup together, like to get rid of that powderiness on your face. It smells so good and I love that. Can you see how my makeup is just like no eyeshadow? So I'm gonna just do my own eyeshadow. So we're done with the eyes. I also went to put some lashes. I did get a lip liner, but this is really not my shade. Okay, so like I said, they need to improve with their shades. I got a couple of lip products here. I have the two peptide lip treatments, one in berry and one in fairy floss, and they look like this. And have a lipstick called Cheeky Chat, and I actually like this color. Actually, it's gorgeous nudie color. Let's go in with the Cheeky Chat. It is such a nice nude color and it's pigmented. Applies absolutely great, beautiful. I'm gonna use the fairy floss, the peptide lip, as a gloss, and it just does. Look at that. This I love, I like. Lip number one. So let's do number two, which is basically putting this gloss instead. So this is more for an autumn vibe lip. So I'm going in with the Deepest Mauve by Makeup Revolution, and it's like a purplish color. Then we're going in with the Berry Bias, which is more autumn vibes. This is so pigmented. Are you kidding? Wow. Okay. It's giving more like cherry color. Perfect. Love this. I cannot believe I achieved this whole entire look. Obviously not all of it. Literally gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I mean, definitely, I feel like if you want to try some products out, definitely give it a go, because they are okay. I think the only problem I had is when I was not able to blend my blush. I feel like it just needed time to kind of like dry down a little bit, which is weird. I've never experienced that. So I will rate MCoBeauty products 8 out of 10. I am impressed, and I think anybody and everybody should try it if you want to, if you're just curious as well. They are definitely good. Just one thing, they need to just extend their ranges. These are definitely my top products. Like, they're absolutely great. I'm gonna leave the links below if you think we're shade twins and stuff. I would like to know your thoughts below as well, guys, to see, like, did you actually like, if you tried these products, and also would you give them a go, and what are your thoughts? Even if it's bad, like, no, I'll never try them, I'm okay with it, because definitely they are controversial brands.